Herbal medicine is the use of plants for healing. This practice is ancient. For centuries, people relied on plants for food and medicine. Our ancestors carefully observed nature. They learned which plants could soothe ailments. This knowledge was passed down through generations. Today, we can still benefit from this ancient wisdom. Herbs contain many active compounds. These compounds can have therapeutic effects. Some herbs reduce inflammation, others boost the immune system. Modern science is now validating the benefits of many traditional remedies. This has led to a renewed interest in herbal medicine. More people are turning to nature for their health needs. Life today is often fast-paced and demanding. This can take a toll on our health and well-being. Herbal remedies offer a gentle and effective way to support our bodies. Anxiety and stress are common experiences. Herbs like chamomile and lavender can help. They have calming effects on the nervous system. For low-energy, adaptogenic herbs can be helpful. Adaptogens like ashwagandha support the body's response to stress. They can improve energy levels and focus. To boost immunity, herbs like echinacea and elderberry are beneficial. They have antiviral and immune-enhancing properties. Adding these herbs to your routine can strengthen your body's natural defenses. When using herbal remedies, safety is paramount. Start with small doses to see how your body reacts. It's best to consult with a qualified herbalist or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized guidance. Herbs can interact with certain medications. It's essential to inform your doctor about any herbs you are taking. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution. Some herbs may not be suitable during these times. Not all herbal products are created equal. The quality of herbs can significantly impact their effectiveness. Look for products made with organic or sustainably harvested herbs. These are free from harmful pesticides and herbicides. Choose reputable brands that prioritize quality and purity. Read labels carefully to understand the ingredients and their sources. By being discerning consumers, we can ensure that we are using the highest quality herbal products for our health and well-being.